Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by redeeming the Xbox gift card on your Microsoft account. Do that now so funds appear as Microsoft balance. Once done, make sure your Riot account uses the same email or is ready to accept purchases. You'll need Valorant installed and logged in on PC to spend funds. This avoids currency or region mismatch. If your Microsoft region differs, pause and change it or use a payment workaround. Doing these steps first prevents billing errors later. Now use your Microsoft balance to buy Riot points inside Valorant. First, confirm Microsoft shows the redeemed amount. Then open Valorant Store, pick the RP bundle you need, and select Microsoft account or preloaded balance as the payment method. Because Riot processes region and currency, make sure the bundle matches your server region, otherwise prices may differ. After confirming, approve the transaction. You'll see RP credited to your Riot account shortly. If not, refresh and wait a few minutes. Complete the workflow by confirming RP appears in Valorant and checking your Riot transaction history. You can then spend on skins or Battle Pass. If RP didn't arrive, don't panic. First recheck Microsoft balance, ensure the correct Microsoft account was used, and confirm your Riot region matches the purchase. Once those are verified, wait 10-15 minutes for processing, then restart the client. If problems persist, collect transaction ID and contact Microsoft or Riot support with those details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.